Hello friends, these are very important videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do it. Please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon in order to get the reminders regularly. Please do it for your own sake. Now this is a tutorial video for Icse class 9. Icse class 9 means it contains previous year's question from 1995 onwards. This is the part 1 of biology questions. In 1995, there were questions which are as follows. A is name the following. The kind of animal tissue which form inner lining of the cheeks, that is squamous epithelium. A region of plant body where active cell division occurs is the tip of roots and stem. A viral disease, you can write just one word, root tip or stem tip, anyone. A viral disease totally eradicated through mass immunizations is smallpox. The two respiratory tubes which enter the respective lungs are called bronchi. An international organization which collects and supplies information about occurrence of epidemic diseases is WHO, World Health Organization. Now mention true and false. DPT is a vaccine for diphtheria, whooping cough and typhoid. Now DPT, the full form of D is diphtheria, full form of P is pertussis. Pertussis means whooping cough and T is for tetanus, not for typhoid. Hence here typhoid is not possible. So this is false. Next is root hairs are extensions of epidermal cells. This is a true. C. Give appropriate terms for the following, means technical terms. Providing ready-made antibodies from outside for treating infectious diseases is passive immunity. Inhalation of cigarette smoke released by other smokers is passive smoking. Combination of smoke and fog is called smog. Smoke plus fog, smog. Write briefly about each of these. Acid rain. Do you know what acid rain is? Sulfur dioxide, then oxides of nitrogen, when they combine with the rainwater, they form acid rain. Now, how are these formed? Sulfur dioxide produced during burning of coal from factories combines with the moisture in the atmosphere, means precipitation, in order to form sulfuric acid, and nitrogen dioxide released from vehicles combined with moisture in the form of nitric acid. These sulfuric acid and nitric acid come down as rain that kill the plants, that damage the buildings, that damage the crops, that cause damage to the soil, etc., and cause nutrient loss of soil. Second is ribs. There you have to write about the role in breathing. The ribs move upward and outward by intercostal muscles to increase the volume of the chest cavity. This results in movement of air into the lungs. Next question is an experiment. Given below is an experiment set up to demonstrate a phenomenon in plants. Now this is the whole setup given over here. These are two wolf's bottle and this is a bell jar. Big tube. Not a bell jar actually. It's a big tube. Now inside this there is a potted plant. The potted plant is covered with a rubber sheet. This whole jar is covered with black cloth. Now here in these two bottles there are lime water. Now you see here caustic soda is given when the air comes in from outside. What is the use of caustic soda? Now first, what is the aim of this experiment? It is to demonstrate evolution of carbon dioxide during respiration. Why was bell jar covered with black cloth? In order to prevent photosynthesis. Now this is a view of respiration. Now if photosynthesis also occurs, this experiment has no meaningless. In order to prevent that photosynthesis, it is covered with black cloth so that no sunlight could get in. Explanation: so that carbon dioxide liberated during respiration may not be used up for photosynthesis. Now here, why is caustic soda used? Just now I asked this question. Caustic soda is used for absorbing carbon dioxide from incoming air. Given overall chemical reaction for the process, you can see the whole chemical reaction. You can note it down. Now next question is concerned with respiratory system. The volume of air in the lungs at the rate at which it is exchanged during inspiration and expiration is measured with a spirometer. Respirometer or spirometer is the same thing. The following diagram shows the spirogram of lung volumes and capacities. Now this is IRV, means inspiratory reserve volume, ERV means expiratory reserve volume, TLC means total lung capacity, and so on. Now you have to write about these things in brief, very brief. Just your one sentence answer. Now what is tidal volume? Here you see tidal volume, this one. What is tidal volume? The air breathed in and breathed out in a normal quiet breathing is called tidal volume. Its volume is about 500 ml. Inspiratory reserve volume. This is the volume of air that can be drawn in forcibly over and above the tidal volume. Its volume is 3000 ml, 3 liter. ERV, expiratory reserve volume. It's the volume of air that can be expelled and forcibly after an ordinary expiration. Its volume is about 1000 ml. Vital capacity. It's the volume of air that can be taken in and expelled out by maximum inspiration and expiration. Its volume is 4500 ml. It's a combination of TV, IRV and ERV. Residual volume is the volume of air that is always left in the lungs even after forcibly breathing it out. Its volume is about 1200 ml. Now till this much for first part. We will come with second part of this set of questions. Till then, best of luck.